everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Trendmood box. So this is not a monthly subscription or anything. If you guys follow Trendmood, she is on Instagram. She always usually rolls out, that's like the place to go if you're looking for the newest beauty makeup releases before they're coming. Whenever any like hints of makeup are coming, she will announce it on her Instagram with photos if she has them. And not too long ago, I think it was probably early this year, she started the Trendmood box. So companies have reached out to her to give samples of products that some have already launched, but most of them usually are getting ready to launch. And so if you're able to grab the Trendmood box, you're going to get items that either just recently launched or are getting ready to before anybody else does. So I've really enjoyed getting this box to try some of those products. You do pay for it, and the price varies anywhere from like $45 to $65, depending on what you're getting in the box. And you do know what you're getting. There is a Instagram called Trendmood Box, and you can follow that. And every time new items are released in the box, then she shows it on there. And she also now has been doing a opening of the box on her YouTube channel as well. So that might be Trendmood Box as well. If I can find that, I'll link that down below for you guys so you know when these are coming. You can kind of follow along. You can, because you know it's in it, you can make the decision, do I want that box? Do I think it's worth it? I usually try to grab them when I can. They're very hard to get. There's a very limited supply. If you sign up for the email program, you can get an email with a code. I have to set my alarm on my phone because I tend to forget. And if you're even an hour late, they're all sold out. They sell out that quick. So let's see what is in this. I don't know if this was volume 5, I can't remember. So when you open it, you've got a little Trendmood sticker here. Everything is nicely wrapped up in here in bubble wrap, and we are going to open all this and see what's in it. Okay, so this first thing is something Marc Jacobs lengthening and curling mascara. I'm guessing that must be in here, and it's just a little like promotionary thing. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is the sponge by Makeup Eraser. This is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. So I guess you put this in, you got your sponge and you put it in this little contraption. I don't know if it goes in the washing machine, your dishwasher, or your clothes washer. Let's see, it just says machine washable, non-toxic dye, no special cleansers, reusable, lasts up to 6 months, wet or dry application saves money. All right, multi-size droplets crafted for maximum water flow, penetrate deep in the sponge, creating a cleaning experience. You can use this for concealer, powder, foundation, durable design, to withstand the spin, tumble, and heat and dry washer and dryer. So it must be your actual clothing washer and dryer that goes into. So this is something, you wet it, you apply, and then you wash and dry. It says right here, it shows you putting them in the machine. So here it is, you've got your sponge from Makeup Eraser, and when you're doing your laundry, grab your beauty sponge. I'd be worried because foundation stains clothing. I am a little concerned. I wouldn't want to put this in with white, obviously, but I wouldn't want the foundation to come off and land on the clothing. That's my only concern about this. If you have picked this up, I don't know if this is in stores or not yet. If you've picked this up and you've tried it, let me know, or if you plan on picking it up. If not, I will try it on some towels, like in a load of old towels, and I'll let you know if we have any issues with it, because I am curious about it. I just don't know that I will, how often I'll clean it that way, you know. So then we have the original Makeup Eraser. You just use this with just water, and it looks like a big cloth. So let's open it up and see. I've used these before. I do like them. It's a great way to just take your makeup off. I like to use these in the shower, actually. But then I still would like follow up with all my serums and like a deep cleanse and toner and all of that. So this is to replace my makeup wipes. You just wet this and you just wipe all of it off just with water. It's supposed to take all your makeup off. They're soft, they're really nice. Great to keep in the bathroom, keep it in the shower, or keep it hanging up by your sink. I have small ones that I've gotten, like small ones. I think I might have one other large one. I wouldn't mind having a bunch of these, and then that way you don't have to use your wipes anymore. So that's always good to have. All right, so then we got something by Lily Lashes, Faux Mink. multi-dimensional, cruelty-free lip strip lash, 20 uses a pair. I do like Lily lashes. Those are very, very big, and they're faux mink. Those are big and dark. I don't know how well I'll like them, but you know, sometimes I try these guys out for my videos. It kind of makes my eyes pop on the videos, so I do that. I thought I saw something in here else that went with it. Yeah, Lily lashes right here. This is a power liner from Lily Lashes. So you have, I guess, so once you put this on and it dries, you can kind of go over the band and cover it up with the liner. And this says Lash Adhesive Liner. Oh, 2-in-1, liner and lash adhesive. So you're gonna do this first. You're gonna line your eyes, and you're also going to put it on here, and it will adhere to your eyes, so no glue. You're gonna be using the liner and the lashes. That's cool. Maybe we'll try that together. I'm actually excited about that. And then we did get, it looks like Marc Jacobs lifting and volumizing mascara called At Lashed. That's cute. And it's in blacker. Anyway, here we are, and I actually right now need a new mascara, so I will use this one. My two that I've been using are on their last. Mascaras don't last long anyway. They only last about 6 months. I use mascara every single day, so I do tend to go through my mascaras pretty quickly. And you don't want to open this unless you're ready to use it. So I'll use one mascara. The only way I won't finish mascara is if I hate it. Like if it's sprinkling by the end of the day, little pieces are breaking off, or I just think it does nothing for my lashes, then I won't continue to use it. I will update you as I use this next. Then we got these, which I'm excited about. These are new from Milani, and they are their Fruit Fetish lip balms. This one is Mango Coconut. This one is Strawberry Lemonade. And this one is Dragon Fruit Peach. So I don't know if they have any, it's just a lip balm, so I don't know if they have any scent or if they have any color. Let's try one out. It says lightly twist the lip balm. Okay, blah. Shea butter and fruit extracts. I bet it smells nice. Let's see. Well, look, there's the color. So it does have a tint to it for your skin. Oh yes, it's definitely got a fruity little scent. I got lipstick on, so. Oh, those are gonna be so fun. These are great little purse lip balms. And we got 3 of them. We got 3 different kinds, so that's awesome. Next in here, we got the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream, and this is safe for sensitive skin, and this is from First Aid Beauty. I've done a little work with First Aid Beauty through the Octolib program. I do like their stuff. It says 98% say it brightens your under eye area, and 92% said it helped minimize the appearance of dark circles. I typically don't get dark circles, although I feel like I have one today. Maybe it's just I think it's just puffy. But I do like brightening. I do like my puffiness reduced. That I have. I do get puffy eyes real bad. And so it says you apply it to the entire orbital eye area. I don't know if that's just here or that includes up in here. That's something that I'll have to look at. But there it is. That is from First Aid Beauty. And I have so many eye things. I don't think I'm going to open this just yet. I have so many eye products I'm trying to work through. And I don't know if any does more, you know, if ones do better than the other. If you guys have found an eye cream that you can't live without, I've tried City Beauty. I've tried, I've got the ones that have like a cold roller, which I do like, where you put the cream on, and then the other side is like a steel roller, which is cold. I've tried things with caffeine in them. I've tried every kind of under eye. The biggest concern I have is puffy eyes like this, and then I have, you know, crow's feet and lines and wrinkles under my eyes. So those would be my concerns. All right, then this is really why I got this palette. This is why I got this box. This is the biggest reason for me. Put all this back in here. We got some things from Nabla Cosmetics. I've been wanting to try Nabla. I've never ever tried their products. We have a palette, the Secret palette. And my friend Lauren that I did a collab with a while back, she swears by this. I believe this stuff is made in Italy. Made in Italy, yes. And I think it's, you know, shipping is kind of expensive to get over here. So I think that's the bigger issue with it. And then we got Nabla Miami Lights glitter palette. And I'm funny about glitter. It's got to be a glitter that has some adhesive in it. I don't like, you know, some of those cheap companies, they do like that straight up glitter that's like craft glitter. No. All right, so this is the Secret Garden. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. Beautiful packaging. And then there's snake on it. All right, hold on. It's got a magnetic because I can't open it. There we go. And take this off. All right. Can you guys see that okay? There you go. Isn't that pretty? Some neutrals, some greens in there, some pinks and burgundies, but a lot of neutrals. You've got a mix of metallics and mattes. Excited to play with this. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. So let's take a look next at the glitter. This one is the Miami Lights. Oh, this is like an individual, oh, isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? All right, so Miami Lights glitter palette. So let me just show you, it's in this clear little like case. It's so stinking cute. The glitters so far look beautiful. They do look like they have some kind of adhesive in there. They are a little chunky monkeys. I don't know if they come out. I want to be careful. No, they're in there. They're not going to pop out on you. So I didn't know if they were like magnetic or something, but they're not. Let's just swatch that the bluey, purpley. Look. The one thing about glitters is they're always so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that, my friends, is pretty. You're probably still going to need a glitter adhesive with this. Wow, though. Wowza, that is so gorgeous. Excited. Okay, so that's what I got in my Trendmood box. This is a box that sold out. It sold out within hours. So if you want to get the Trendmood box, you have to get on the Trendmood email list for it. I will link that for you, and then you should be able to get early access. You get in, I think, an hour and a half before everybody if you do that. Otherwise, when it launches, and all the pre-orders have, the people that got in an hour early have sucked up all the boxes. Usually, if you get in late, the boxes sell out sometimes before it even opens to the public, which is tough. So you definitely want to get on the list. So I will list that below. This is, I think, my third box. Some of the boxes I haven't been able to get, or I forgot, I didn't set my alarm, I hadn't been paying attention, but I wanted this one specifically for the Nabla Cosmetics, but super excited about the Marc Jacobs mascara, super excited to have the makeup eraser. I love the Milani the lippies that we got. This is a good box. And then the Lily lashes with the liner and adhesive, that's awesome, because I'm assuming you can use that liner and adhesive on any lashes you have. You don't have to use it just on Lily lashes. So that's gonna be something I'll be able to continue to use. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that button so you can see more content in fashion beauty. We do have some more fashion coming up here very shortly, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.